Snore Like a Bear by Nicole LaRue. When the sky begins to darken and the moon glows bright, quiet your restless body and let your mind take flight. Imagine you're a bumblebee, snuggled in the flowers. Doze among the petals and dream away the hours. You're a sleeping octopus, changing colors as you slumber. Blue, red, orange, pink, you're a kaleidoscopic wonder. Pretend you're a koala tucked in a nook up high, sleeping soundly in a tree while the world goes by. Imagine you're a mighty whale, bobbing in the deep. Close your eyes and feel the water rocking you to sleep. You're a whiskery walrus snoozing on the ice. It's a chilly bed, but to a walrus it feels nice. Make believe you're a big brown bear dozing in your den. Cuddle with your sleeping cubs until it's spring again. You're a drowsy meerkat nestled in a furry pile. Huddle with your family and dream a little while. You're a teensy baby mouse nodding in your fluffy nest. Nuzzle in, tiny one, and enjoy a lovely rest. Now you're a sleepy little child snuggled in your bed. Turn out the light, close your eyes, and rest your tired head. The end.